Today in our form drawing lesson, we are going to go to the pond. It is a very calm day. There's not much of a breeze. It's early morning and the pond is still as can be. Draw the pond, the surface of the pond, over and over and over again. Not worrying about if the lines are perfectly straight. They can be a little curved, but we're just trying our best, trying to make them straighter and straighter and straighter with each stroke of our pencil. Make sure that you're sitting straight to your page, that your page is straight in front of you. If you are right-handed, you want to go left to right. And if you're left-handed, you're welcome to go left to right or else right to left. In form drawing, I'm going to leave that up to you to feel what's comfortable. Now, there was once a little froggy who hopped across the pond. 1 hop, 2 hops, 3 hops, 4. And because the surface of the pond was so still, you could see the reflection in the water of his hops. And we're going to go over those hops about 3, 4, 5 times, even more if you'd like, trying to make them rounder and rounder and rounder. I like to hold my pencil with a pencil grip, but some people like to do form drawing holding their pencil from on top, which I just showed. A pencil grip should be a gentle grip with the thumb and pointer on the sides and the middle finger holding up the pencil. We're just going to go over our forms a number of times until they really feel like they're flowing. Many other animals started to wake up around the pond. There were some ducks that quacked by. There were some birds flying in the sky. Some rabbits were hopping in the grasses. And there were some bugs as well. There was a little fly, and the fly was buzzing over the surface of the water, making little loops. And in each of the hops, you can make one of the loops that the fly made. Buzz, buzz, buzz. And in the reflection of the pond, you could see the fly flying as well. And as always, go over your lines, not making them perfect, but keeping them flowing and flowing and flowing. It was early morning and there were mountains in the background. And next we're going to take a red and we're going to make those mountains, 3 mountains in the background. Take your pencil and make 1 mountain up, straight at a diagonal, and then down, and then up, and down, and up again. You can see that I'm going over it, not perfectly on the lines. I'm trying to make them more the same size and correct any little imperfections that were there to begin with. And now we can see the reflection of the mountains in the pond. When you're done with the mountains, you can shade in your drawing. I'm going to start by shading dark to light. So I'm going to do dark near the lines, and then it gets lighter and lighter as I go closer to the ground. And you can fill in your loops, you can fill in the froggy hops, you can make the water, you can shade the water a bit going down so it really looks like a reflection down towards the bottom of your page. There are all kinds of things you can do to make your picture your own. The sun might be shining from between the mountains, rising behind one of the mountains. There could be birds flying. So I welcome you to make the picture whatever you like now. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to having you next time for another drawing lesson.